and welcome back to my channel. You are wait a sec, I don't what's the script again? Welcome back to my channel, everyone. How are you today? If you're doing great, then that's great, obviously, because you're doing great. And what else is being great than being great? Okay, right now I have the good lighting in my room, and which kind of reminds me about the thing that I actually wanted to do like 1,000 years ago, about doing a room tour video. You actually saw most of my room, practically every single part of my room you already know, because my entire YouTube channel is actually centered by filming inside this room. So why not give a quick tour of it, so at least you could also see what it looks by now, and then in the future maybe I'll say, oh my gosh, that looks so disgusting, or something like that. So anyways, let's go and look at my room. So first of all, let's go to the entrance. First of all, this is where I hang all of my stuff, my essentials. When I go out, I always bring my denim jacket, my bags, mask, and face shield. Also got my ID here and a towel, because my bathroom is actually a few steps away from my room. So I actually take my towel with me every single time, because obviously how can you get dry once you get out of the bathroom? Next is this part, where this is just a plain old shelf right here. I haven't got the time to clean it, but hopefully I'll get to clean this up after shooting this video. So this is the light switch right here with Kim Tae-young's face and Yeontan right there. My medications, my personal hygiene stuff, water bottle, my pruning shears, some stuff that I put there. Some are just for school, some are for my plants, and some are just for my hobbies. Those are dumbbells and where I put my paperwork. This is my printer. This isn't normally here. I actually put him on the living room. I put my fan over here. This is my shoe rack. I don't have a ton of shoes, but these are the most essential shoes that I have. Every one of them fits my concept. A random stick in case if somebody just budges over my door and then just like yells bloody murder and then just kills all my family members. So at least I got some kind of self-defense weapon to at least poke the killer in the face and then let him die and then bleed to death. Yeah, so this is my rack. Well, I put some miscellaneous or sometimes unnecessary stuff right here. Yeah, I guess you can see what are those. This is my what is this again? This is my cabinet where I put all my clothes. It looks very tall. This is my height in comparison. Those stuff are just some random stuff that I put there. That is the BDS meal right over there. Newspaper. I put the newspaper right there in case if I start painting or something like that. Yeah, those are all my paperworks and stuff right there. My clothes. I don't have a lot of clothes, guys. So the arrangement goes from, this is my outdoor clothes, my indoor tops, shorts and pants. These are all my outerwear, my jackets and my sweaters. My belts are also hang there. My bags and all of the other bags, like paper bags that I saved up, are over there. That is just some plastic folders right there and colored pencils. Yeah. Next up is the fun part of the room, and it is this part right here. Oh my gosh, why is that tilted outside? Oh, that's not supposed to be there. Wait, no, not supposed to be in that direction. This is my desk. Let me just turn off the light for a sec. Okay, so this is my plant wish list, where I tick off all of the plants that I actually have. This is an overview. I guess you can just pause through the video. There. A rack right here. Some decorative stuff. My rubber tree cutting right here. I supposed to be dying but actually surviving monster elbow cutting that I have from my friend. My mirror. It's actually a cute mirror. Oh my gosh, I should wipe that. Lamp. It's chargeable, so it's kind of a nifty and cute thing. That's why I put it there. And this is my other stuff right here. My clock. That is alcohol right there. That is a pot where I put all my stickers in it. Yep. This thing is just some extra paint. I started to paint some stuff right here, such as this glass for my album Monstera cutting. And yeah, that is still a lot of paint right there. So in case if I still need it, it's still there. That is my laptop table right there, which I use to when I am sick or something like that, or I just want to lay down in bed and do some paperwork. This is my chair with a foamy cushion. Okay, so last time, about my what have I done for about a few months while I was away from YouTube. I actually told you guys that I actually killed. I don't know if I actually killed it or it's just dying on me, but like a variegated ZZ plant. And right now I have its mom. So Auntie Ligaya, my aunt, just gave the mom to me because she said that she doesn't want it anymore. And bro, look at its. Oh, that's just so amazing. And those are my chopsticks, so that you know I will use them when like they're. I need to check if these plants need waters or not, something like that. This is my rug. It's actually a pretty cute rug right here. It's folded right now, but I can clean that up later. So this is my sofa. It's a two-piece. I just split them up so that all the plants can come in the middle. Curtains and my window. My dad put these things here so that obviously people cannot get in because the windows here, people can enter, and breaking and entering are a famous notorious crime here in our place. All of my plants are here, so I'm going to tell them all the names. This is the Monstera deliciosa, medium green form, Philodendron silver sword hastatum, Philodendron hederaceum, Syngonium podophyllum albo. This is a variegated elephant ear or maybe Dieffenbachia, I don't know. This is my Philodendron gloriosum, which is putting out a brand new leaf right there. This is my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma that survived from root rot. This is my crocodile fern. Wait a sec, let me tilt her. There she is. These are just some other things and things that I actually painted. Yeah. Some tags and all that stuff just to keep the aesthetic. These are my shelves. Nothing pretty much, you know. That is just my Bluetooth speaker right there. Down here we have a Philodendron scomiferum cutting. No, not scomiferum. It's actually Mayoi. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Circular mirror right here. My snake plant, which is actually one of the few snake plants that I own. And actually the very first snake plant and one of the first plants that I actually own. That is my humidifier right there. Yoshinori. This is my other sofa, which has Pan. I also keep my books here. And with the aesthetic, boho style like aesthetic. Baskets, rattan, and all that. My Philodendron micans, I forgot about you. Yeah, there she is. She's growing pretty fast. That is just a horse figurine right there. And also my teacup right there. Next is the bed. The bed is pretty, shall I say, dirty. It's because of my scars in my foot, and I guess you don't want to talk about that. That is Jin. I named him Jin because Jin is my bias from BDS. My laptop sits right there, but it normally goes inside my closet. And this is the mural over here. The mural isn't perfect, I know. I'm actually just putting random stuff in the wall, but came out pretty good, but I'm still going to fix it. So I actually tried to film it, but my battery ran out, so it didn't save the file. So yeah, it was supposed to be a video. Lastly, this just random stuff that is stuck to the wall. So because this is the part where it's so plain, and that is actually like a light switch, like one of the remains of the old house. I don't know why it got there, and literally every single time. Wait a sec. Every single time I lay down in bed, if I don't know what to do, it's just some kind of like a stress relief thing. And yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you actually enjoyed watching it, even though if you don't even actually need to watch it, because practically nobody wants to see like a tour of my room, but I just kind of feel like it. So anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you just want, because I'm already 100 subscribers by now, and I know that no one subscribed to me yet because my channel is boring. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon and goodbye.